Hello, thanks for seeing me again. I'm here at what is called the Rio Bosque, near El Paso, Texas. And this is the last remaining wetland in our area along the Rio Grande. And as you can see, there's actually running water. And it's clear, it's clean. These are willows, or I believe they're willows. And there's plenty of other sorts of trees and nature here too. But I was just struck by how, so if you go into this little shaded area with the water, it's at least 10 degrees cooler than when you're out here, and probably more like 15 degrees. And so you can see they cleared this out pretty good recently, and I'm not exactly sure why. See all the tree stumps? I don't know if you can see them. And so yeah, it just reminds me that before we changed the river, so the river, when it was flowing naturally, it was about 155 miles long between here and the nearest dam that was built. And now it's only 86 miles long because they really straightened it out and they built levees and they forced the river to flow in a certain way. And I think that's something you can understand about any river, including the river of life, or the river of life force energy within you, the river of your own soul and spirit. When it's forced to flow in a certain way, it just becomes, life is not just shorter, maybe it's also sicker, and it's more dried up, it's more parched, like the parched earth that now surrounds our region. And so that's just a physical metaphor I wanted to share today about our river and our natural areas and how precious and holy they are, because they can remind you about what life is supposed to be like. It's supposed to be pristine natural beauty, free flowing, filled with natural biodiversity, enjoyment. It's supposed to feel good. Oh wow, either little fish or tadpoles are swimming in there. I don't think you can see them from up here, from in the camera. In this area. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, there's a couple over there. Yeah, I don't think you can see it in the camera so far. But there's such good, beautiful life to be felt and shared and had when in freedom. And so I just want to say to always be your authentic self and let yourself flow. And you know what? Sometimes that means you're going to flood the banks and wipe away some vegetation, because that's a natural disturbance. That happens. It's a seasonal thing. Just like the emotions can flow. Sometimes you're going to feel a lot of things. It's going to be overwhelming. But in the end, the natural flow is the best for the entire ecosystem. It's life-giving. Somehow the best is made of it. So you can trust yourself and have faith in yourself. You can see them down there, the little fishes. So trust yourself through the flowing of being your authentic self, as hard as it can be, as difficult as it can be in a world that's tried to build levees around you, to control your gender, what body you feel like you fit into, your sexuality, your ableness. Are you truly, capable of working a 16-hour day? I mean, And, you know, there's just every single person on this earth, in one form or another, understands what it's like to be hemmed in, to be out of sync with your own natural, authentic, virtuous flow. But not this river, not right here. And so come and visit your natural wonders, because they can reconnect you with that part of yourself that maybe you never knew existed, or maybe you thought was lost for good. But it's not lost. It's just sitting there waiting, gonna knock on your door, on your heart's door, whenever you're ready to listen and maybe let it in and be in flow with it. And it's worth it. And it takes a good amount of time. Respect it, that process, the flow. As extraordinarily painful as it can be. And then watch the miracles unfold as your life begins to become an oasis. In otherwise an arid desert wasteland. Instead, you're giving birth to new life. New bird song. Or maybe it's not bird song because you're a human, but new song, the song of your own soul, to new light inside of you. So yeah, get inspired. Come visit your natural areas and be at one in peace and whole with them and yourself. So thanks for seeing me again, and see you again soon.